Alright, so this week you're going to start using bacteria, so I'll quickly show you how to plate bacteria. It's a very simple process. To begin with, make sure your plate is very clearly labeled. Again, you want your name, the date, maybe plate number, and then the bacteria that you're putting down and sort of where they're going. Once you're ready, ask your TA. They will bring you your bacteria. The tubes are not individually labeled. They're color-coded, so when they hand you your tube of bacteria, make sure you know what's in that tube, maybe put a label on it, or use it right away so you don't get confused. Set your P20 to 2 or 3 microliters. That's all you need for the bacteria. Before you pipette, bacteria, they've been sitting in this tube for a while, so they will have pelleted down to the bottom. So give them a nice solid vortex for about 3 seconds. Now we're going to grow these plates for a week in order to allow the bacteria to grow. So you want to keep these plates sterile as much as possible. So we'll take our bacteria, right? I just opened it and closed it. I'm not going to leave it exposed to the air where other bacteria could come in and contaminate it. Then I'm going to open my plate just enough to get my pipette tip in, and I'm going to pipette. I'm not going to touch the plate with the tip, and I'm not going to pipette from up high. So right above the plate, pipette down to that first stop, you'll get a little droplet. Touch that droplet to the plate, it'll fall off. Don't go to the second stop, and you just plated your bacteria. The reason why we don't go to the second stop or pipette from up high is because when you do those things, you could get aerosol spray falling down on other regions of your plate, and you really want to keep your bacteria isolated to their droplet as much as possible. So you've got your droplet here. Just give them a few minutes to allow that droplet to dry. Bacteria like to grow. We like the plates upside down, agar side up, to grow our bacteria for the week. So you'll store your plates agar side up. That prevents condensation from forming on the lid and falling back onto your plate and then, moving your bacteria around or messing your plate up. So store your plates upside down, as we say, and you'll have hopefully good bacterial growth next week.